Hey family, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nia, aka Sis Went Vegan, and I'm back with another tasty video. You guys said in the comments that you wanted to see a lot more vegan desserts this year, and I am here for it. I am so excited to be showing you guys how to make fried Oreos. This method is so much easier because we're going to be using the air fryer. So of course you're going to need your Oreos. And then you're gonna need these Pillsbury crescent rolls. So we're just gonna open this. Oh, where's my glasses? So next I'm just gonna pull each piece off. It's already cut for you, so you just have to pull it off. Then grab an Oreo and just wrap it. And make sure that the entire Oreo is fully covered. I also want to try something different. So what I want to do is take one of the Oreos, and I think I'm just gonna put a little bit of peanut butter on that. Do you guys think that will be good? I remember on that movie The Parent Trap, she talked one of the twins ate her Oreos with peanut butter. She dipped her Oreos in peanut butter. So I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna wrap this in there, and I have to make sure I keep it separate so I remember which one has the peanut butter. So now that I have them all wrapped up, I'm just gonna take some cooking spray and I'm gonna spray the inside of my air fryer. And then I'm just gonna put these in here, and I'm gonna make sure that I leave a little bit of space in between them. I'm just gonna do 4 at a time and then see what happens. Okay, and I'm gonna put it on 350 for 3 minutes. I'll do 5 minutes and I'll check in between. While those are cooking, we're gonna go ahead and make a delicious strawberry compote to go with it. To make the compote, you need a few tablespoons of a liquid. Here I'm using lemon juice. That does make it a little sour, which I thought went well with the Oreos, but you can also use orange juice or water. And mix in a tablespoon of cornstarch and then let that sit on the side. Then you're gonna take your fruit of choice and then mix in 1/4 cup of sugar and let the sugar melt on the stove. Once the sugar is completely dissolved, you can go ahead and add in that cornstarch slurry that you made. This is just gonna help to thicken your sauce. So once that happens, you're all done. Ooh, baby. Yes. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the fried Oreos are done and I am so excited to try it. First of all, let's get into this plate. We got these puffy, hot fried Oreos with a homemade strawberry compote. Guys, I am so excited to try this. This is what they look like up close. And I'm gonna try it. Oh my God. That is so good. Oh my goodness. They're so fluffy. The Oreos are nice and soft. Let's try it with the dip. Oh. Oh man. Oh my gosh. This takes strawberry and chocolate to a whole nother level. Oh my goodness. You guys have to try this. So I tried the ones that have peanut butter on the inside, and they are so delicious. I really hope that you guys try this. I do like the ones with the strawberries more though, but these are just as, okay, they're not just as good, but they are delicious, and I hope you guys try them. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be notified. And don't be greedy, share this video with a friend. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how I make, what am I making?